Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can send your money from Binance to stake account. To do this simply you must have a Binance account, and if you have it already you must be signed in on your browser on your laptop or PC or phone, whatever you want to use. As you can see, I'm already signed in, and once you sign in simply go to dashboard, and from here on the upper icon you will see an icon like wallet, and go here and simply click on overview. When you click on overview, it will take you here, and from here you can simply click on withdraw, or if you have some kind of other options, simply click on spot, and from here you can simply click withdraw. And once you click on this withdraw option, you will see an option like select your coin. Let's say I select BTC, and here you see withdraw to address. You need to enter your stake address here. You will easily find this in your stake account when you go to the wallet option in your stake account. So select the BTC or whatever you want to select and just copy this address. And once you copy this address, go back to Binance and simply put that address here. Once you put down the address and select network, simply select, let's say I selected the BTC coin, so BTC, and enter the address. And once you enter the address, and that is how you can withdraw the amount to your stake account. It will take like 1 to 2 minutes to send this amount to your stake account. So that is a simple process of how you can transfer the amount.